What up, family of sport? That's when Mary Lee. It is 158. I'm gonna go all the way to 159. It's Thursday, July 31st, 2025. I'm at the Oakwood Cemetery in my city, Chicago, on 67 and Greenwood. It is 76% on my phone. I'm at the Braziers. Plot, but it's a little bit bigger than a plot. Now, you see my birds? I never seen them out this way, but there they go. Let me see how many is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It look like one over there. Long story short, it is 159 and the music was loud and clear. What a man, Rob guy. Look, think about it, please.